If you've ever wanted to turn handwritten equations into clean math inside OneNote, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Ink to Math in OneNote, step by step, so you can quickly write equations with a pen, stylus, or even your mouse, and convert them into neat, readable math. This is perfect for students, teachers, note-takers, and anyone who wants to make their OneNote pages look more professional and organized. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's jump in. First, open OneNote and navigate to the page where you want to add your equation. This can be any notebook, section, or page where you're taking notes. Once you're on the right page, look at the top ribbon and click the Draw tab. The Draw tab is where OneNote keeps all of its pen, ink, and handwriting tools, so that's the place you want to be. Now look toward the right side of the toolbar and click Ink to Math. Depending on the version of OneNote you're using, this may simply say Math instead. Don't worry if the label looks slightly different, because the feature works the same way. Once you click it, OneNote will open a dedicated Math Input control box over your screen. This is where the magic happens. Inside that input window, you can write your equation using your digital pen, tablet stylus, or mouse. You'll see a grid canvas area where you can draw symbols, numbers, fractions, square roots, exponents, and even more advanced expressions. As you write, OneNote shows a live preview at the top of the box, which lets you see exactly how the AI is interpreting your handwriting in real time. That preview is really useful because it helps you catch mistakes before you insert the equation. For example, if you write a fraction, you can immediately check whether OneNote understood the numerator, denominator, and fraction bar correctly. If you're writing calculus symbols, parentheses, or square roots, the preview helps you make sure everything is being recognized the way you intended. If your handwriting is neat, you may be able to convert the equation right away. But if OneNote misidentifies a symbol, don't worry, because you do not need to erase the whole equation and start over. That's one of the best parts of this tool. Instead, look at the bottom of the input window and click the Select and Correct tool. Now draw a circle around the single character that is wrong. For example, if OneNote reads a 2 as a Z, or mistakes one symbol for another, just circle that specific character. A drop-down menu will appear with alternative symbol options. From there, click the correct one, and OneNote will replace it for you. This is a huge time saver because you can fix only the problem symbol instead of rewriting everything. If a symbol is completely wrong or badly written, you can also use the Erase tool icon. This lets you remove just those specific strokes without deleting the entire equation. Then you can rewrite that part more clearly and let OneNote interpret it again. This is especially helpful for messy handwriting, complex fractions, or any time the math engine needs a cleaner input. Once your equation looks correct in the preview pane, you can insert it into your page and continue working. Your handwritten math will now appear neatly on the page, making your notes easier to read, easier to share, and much more polished overall. So that's how to use Ink to Math in OneNote. You now know how to open the tool, write your equation, check the live preview, correct mistakes, and erase only the parts you need to fix. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more OneNote tips, Microsoft tutorials, and simple how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.